In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io as a CRM. We'll walk through the core areas you'll use every day so you can track contacts, run outreach, manage deals, and keep your team aligned without leaving Apollo. Start by opening the People section. Think of this as your contact database and the heart of your CRM. Here you can view profiles, apply filters to narrow down ideal prospects, and prepare lists for outreach. Take a moment to scan the columns and confirm the fields that matter to you, like title, company, or last activity, so you always have the right context at a glance. Next, head to Import. This is where you bring your existing contacts into Apollo. You can load a spreadsheet or sync from another system so that your lists live in one place. Before you import, it's a good idea to clean up duplicates and standardize fields like job titles and phone formats. Doing this now saves time later when you're segmenting and reporting. Then open sequences. Sequences automate follow-ups so you never lose momentum. Use them to organize multi-step touchpoints across email, calls, and tasks. From here, click Create Sequence. Give it a clear descriptive name and outline the stages you'll use most often. Keep messages concise and relevant. Space steps for a natural cadence. And remember to include task steps for social touches or reminders to personalize key emails. Move to Calls. This view lets you place or log calls directly in Apollo and keep every conversation attached to the right record. Use a reliable headset, confirm local dialing regulations, and log call outcomes right away so you and your team always know the status of each prospect. Now go to Deals. This is your pipeline view where you track opportunities by stage. You can create a new deal or manage your existing deals by updating stages, owners, values, and close dates. Keep your notes tight and your next step crystal clear. Every deal should have a defined follow-up to keep it moving. Open Analytics to review what's working. Look for trends in outreach performance, call outcomes, and pipeline velocity. Use these insights to refine your sequences, adjust your targeting, and forecast more accurately. From there, open admin settings to fine-tune workspace defaults and ensure data consistency across your team. Then go to Integrations and connect Slack. This lets you route key alerts like new deals or stage changes into the channels your team already checks, keeping everyone informed in real time. With these areas, people, import, sequences, calls, deals, analytics, settings, and integrations, you can run a simple, effective CRM workflow entirely inside Apollo.